Which animals gives both milk and egg? The platypus. Which animal can sleep for 3 years? Land snail. Which bird has no wings? Kiwi. Which animal can store water in its body? Camel. Which bird cannot fly? Ostrich. Which animal can live more than 200 years? Tortoise. Which animal has a brain in its legs? Spiders. Which animal never drink water? Kangaroo rat. Which animal's blood color is green? Lizards. Which animal sees with their ears? Bat. Which bird is called as the king of birds? Eagle. In which country the world's largest tortoise found? Australia. What is the fastest flying insect in the world? Dragonfly. Which animal can see everything even with its closed eyes? Camel. Which bird cannot lay eggs? Peacock. What kind of creature is that which dies after giving birth to a baby? Octopus. Which animal has 3 hearts and 9 brains? Octopus. Which bird cannot see during the day? Owl. How many teeth does an elephant have? 26 teeth. Which animal has no brain and heart? Jellyfish. Which animal smells with its tongue? Snake. Which bird drinks water while flying in the air? Swift bird. Which animal milk is black? Black rhinoceros. Which animals has 32 brains and 300 teeth? Leech. Which bird has the strongest sense of smell? Vulture.